Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to solve screen overlay detected in any Android phone. So guys, for that go to your phone settings. Now go to app, tap on the three dot icon, go to spatial access. Now go to appear on top. Now you will see a list of the apps that has the API on top enabled. So you just have to locate the apps which you think is causing the issue. Then you have to turn off that app. And after doing this complete, just go back. Now again tap on the three dot icon. Tap on reset app preferences. And you have to restart the device, and after all this your problem will be solved. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.